I saw the whole thing go down. What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to Bindee Vang Fishing. We are going to be doing some ice fishing today because ice fishing is the new hobby for the winter. It is so dope. But anyways, we are back on the ice with King Ty Fishing here. Say what's up.
What up, what up? We out here again today and it's a beautiful day, so
yes, very beautiful, very beautiful. It's like 30 degrees today, and with some inspiration from Crappie Chronicles, shout out to Bart and all the folks over there. But we are on our favorite metro lake here, and we're gonna try to catch some slab crappies. So hopefully we can catch some big ones to show you guys that hey, we got some big crappies too. But anyways, guys, enough chit chatting. Let's get on the ice. Let's go.
Well, we're gonna check the depth, check to see if there's any fishes around. We just got our first hole drilled, and yeah, we are about 8 feet. I got a little gold tungsten right here with the pink Dave's wedges. You know, pink's always a hot color every time you come out to a lake, but usually stained water lakes, I don't know. We'll see if the pink's gonna prevail, right? Hot pink.
Might be always, huh? Hold on, there's like a big mark right there to the left.
Yeah, that might be a bat.
You think so?
Here it comes.
Oh!
I just told you!
Should have waited, huh?
Yeah!
Shoot! Dude, did it look pretty big?
Yeah?
What the f? Yo!
Dude, just missed him.
Alright guys, so we have a bunch of fish on live scope. I don't know, may have missed a bass earlier on the shiner, but oh well, more fish to come, guys. Drag, 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 drag.
Oh, I saw the whole thing go down.
Get the camera, bro. We got the flag down. First tip up. Woo! Guys, we got the first fish today. For me, second fish actually. You're gonna see what it is. Dude's pretty big. First
I've
fish.
seen him come up.
Oh, you saw him on live scope?
Yeah. Doesn't fight.
Feels like a bass.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Came in like a bass.
Oh, for real?
Just. That's why I called it right before your flag went out.
That's way too dope, dude. Come on. Let's go. That's tight, dude.
Yeah.
Let's see what fish it is. Ooh! It feels like a nice bass, dude.
Maybe.
3-pounder?
How do you feel on your first step up?
It's exciting, dude. It's like a present.
Oh, it's a pike.
There's a pike?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a bass.
Big pike.
That's awesome. Well, first pike through the ice, man. It's a pretty big pike, huh?
I don't know. I only saw the snout.
It's like a 30-inch pike?
I wouldn't say that big.
Oh, it's not that big. Woo! First pike on the ice. That's pretty dope, guys. Look at his little teeth. Little guy. Dude, he almost took the rod in the water, dude. That was crazy. See, Mr. Pike. Fish on.
You gotta go find the bigger ones.
Yeah.
You know they're in here.
Oh, this is a big fish. Must be another pike. Oh, that's another pike. Oh, let's see what this is. Might be another pike, I'm sure of it. Let's see. This animal who I can't see. Oh, this guy's pulling drag. Man, I haven't seen the fish yet. Oh, that's a big pike. Come on, let's just end the party. Oh. Oh. It's a pretty big pike through the ice, guys. He freaking ate the ice jig, bro. What? I was just catching tons of bluegills and this guy comes around and says, what's up? Let me ruin your party. Nice little pike. Nice. Oh, go. Back home, I guess. Fish on. Let's see what it is. Ooh, nice crappie. Choked it. See if we can catch some more. Smoked it again. Another crappie. Smaller guy. Come on. Oh, this guy feels big. Oh my god. Let's see what this is. Oh my god. This is a big fish. This does not feel like a crappie, dude. Big fish. Or whatever it is. Oh my god. Pike, maybe? Oh. What the heck, dude? Went from going catching crappies to catching pikes. This guy down. There's a fish here. Let's see what you are, buddy. Seems relatively slow. And you're gone. And you're back. And you're gone. And you're back. Oh my god. What are you? Oh my goodness. Oh, came off. What the heck was that? I feel like another pike, probably. Guys, just caught this nice bass. GoPro's all jacked up, but check this guy out. Whoo, first bass through the ice. It is good to see the green friends. Let this guy go. See ya, Mr. Bass. Right now we're at 9.7 feet. Dude, they're just boinking it, dude. Okay. Already had one on. Bring it up. Oh, another crappie, small guy. Okay, guys, now that's a little darker. We are gonna go ahead and put on a glow Dave's wedges here. White one. See if we entice our fish to eat even more. Fish on. Oh, this one's pretty big, dude. It's like a 10-incher or 9. Nice fish. 16 fish. Yep. Well, folks, looks like this is the end of the road. It's a little dark here, so we will do a outro on the chest camera. But anyways, what a fun day. We caught a lot of these smaller crappies. You know, good for, you know, taking to your parents to eat or whatever. But we didn't catch any giant slams that we wanted to, but that's okay. We went out, we had fun today, and we were also able to pull out our first pike and our first bass out of the ice, and that was very exciting. Other than that, boys and girls, of course, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment something down below. We'll talk fishing. Subscribe to the channel. And guys, stay tuned to the end of the video. Well, not the end of the video, but stay tuned to the end of the week. We will be announcing the winner on my next trip. But other than that, I'll see ya on the next one. Peace out.